everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another DIY project. I'm going to be showing you how to make this flower box. I see these all over Instagram and I just didn't want to spend $400 on a bouquet of roses, so I wanted to try and figure out if I could make it myself, and this is what I came up with. I love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna put it in my bedroom. It was very inexpensive. I had a lot of these flowers hanging around the house already. I did run out of some of them, so I had to get a couple more. But other than that, it's a lot cheaper than spending $400. So let's go ahead and get started so I can show you how to achieve this flower box. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a rundown on all the materials that we're gonna need for the DIY. You're gonna need some wire cutters, flowers. I got these flowers from Hobby Lobby. They feel very realistic. I purchased about 15 or 16 flowers. We're probably not gonna use all of them, but I wasn't sure how much I would need for the project, so I just got 15 or 16. And they are $5.99 at Hobby Lobby, but if you wait for Hobby Lobby to have their floral sale, you can probably find them for like $2 or $3 each. I have this white ribbon. It's like a satin ribbon that I purchased from Walmart. I'm probably gonna go with the larger one just because I think that's gonna look best for the look that I'm going for. I also have this foam that we're gonna use to stick the flowers in. That way they stand up inside the box. I have spray paint that I had laying around the house, so I'm gonna use the rest of this. Hopefully it's enough and I don't have to go back to the store and buy more. And then the paper mache box that I purchased from Joann's.
Alright, so as you can see, I'm just spray painting all of the sides of this box. I want to do an even coat. And I'm doing the inside, the sides, and I'm also going to do the lid.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a pen and I'm going to trace the box. Trace like a circle around. That way I know where to cut. So now it gives you that circle. And I'm going to cut inside of the circle. Just a little bit inside. That way I don't have any trouble with it fitting inside the actual box. I don't want it to be like the same exact diameter of the box. I want it to be a little bit smaller so it'll go inside.
So as you can see, I am having trouble fitting the foam inside the box. So I'm going to have to go back and cut more off the sides so it fits perfectly now. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the roses and I'm going to cut them so they fit inside the box. And I struggled with this. So it took me a while to cut a lot of the roses. So I do a lot of that off camera, so I didn't waste a lot of time. But you just want to make sure that they sit up far enough to where the roses just sit right above the edge of the top of the box. So I tried the smaller one first to see what it looked like, and I didn't really care for that one, so I went with the larger one. I really liked how that one looked. So I'm just tying the ribbon around the box to see how big of a bow I wanted to do. So you see me fixing that. And one thing that I noticed was the ribbon kept falling. So that's why you have the glue gun to just glue some of the ribbon in some areas so it sticks onto the box and doesn't fall. So that's what you see me doing here.
One thing I forgot to mention after putting on my bow was if you don't want to use a bow, you can always put a label or no bow, or you can just change it up. You can use different rose colors, mix and match colors. You can do anything really, just get really creative with it. But I'm going to put my flower box in my room. I have a lot of other girly decor in my bedroom. I do have a video so you can see all the decor that I have in my bedroom reveal video. You can check that out on my YouTube. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers that I have right now. And I also have an Instagram that I have a lot of other pictures and material on. I don't do full videos for a lot of that stuff, so you can find it on my Instagram that you won't find on my YouTube. If you'd like to check that out, follow me. I'd love to interact with you on Instagram. My Instagram handle is STAC1A_D. That's STAC1A_D. So you can go and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys. And mix and match color.